guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
So now these two women, they don't get anything now. They're poor now. People say shut up, house, they crazy, they get something passing. Me when they talk and say they don't get anything. I don't drink kerosene. I know. But when we kerosene, when I tell the down here say they don't get anything. I don't drink kerosene. I know. I see the background. Person ways don't go money. If you see a fellow woman, you go know say this woman fair money. I come to talk at that. They say they better pass you. Odori twelko. Now some people come they say that's so lovely fair talk. Oh, lovely fair talk. Say these women they don't get shishi for nyasho. These women they don't get shishi for nyasho. Now say una I don't open no. The time when two of them come they disgrace themselves. Me any word when I talk they come to pass. See this marriage issue when they talk so. 7 years ago, or 6 years ago, my live video hanging. Now me first talk this marriage. When they laugh people, they laugh women when their husband has, they laugh women when they laugh single mother, they laugh everybody. Now I can't boil out. I can't say it's getting too much. You people make una enter house. Now I tell them say you both of you go and bring your wedding certificate. They can't change and say I say wedding certificate. They be one bully me. They don't know say I be street girl. me nudo. Now say me, una go bully me. Where the bully? They feel bully lovely. Face to face, you know feel withstand me. I'm aware talk. If you talk of talk, I get talk, but sometimes I they get respect. Say if they respect human be. Now I tell them they go bring and come. What did these women do that time? Now mumu people now the same mumu people now they wash them. They can't go bring one this that time one newspaper. The newspaper where they ever bring come that time they can't go pull my picture. I don't know whether most of una I'm not sure say una don't dey live video that year una not dey. Hey way as Lolo talk una don't dey live video that year. They can't go bring one newspaper. As I bring the newspaper, they can't go my picture put. I say, see mumu. Wetin I dey run. Now they run. Wetin I don't run pa. They can't say I dey wanted. Say that they find me. As I carry the newspaper, now I can't read newspaper. Say where China they negotiate business with India, with Canada, with different country. Now I did that newspaper. As people come mumu reach for inside Facebook, here my a newspaper. They say, lovely, oh, you be wanted though, that they find you, or not that they say, why are a newspaper? A newspaper where Chinese people want do business with India. During that time when Chinese people do business with India, when they can't do business together, I don't know whether I remember. Now that this thing carried that time, that newspaper. With Canada and then this Australia, like whether Australia with Canada, they can't write and put when they want to combine business together. Now they write everything about the business. Now they did that newspaper when these two women bring come out that time they want to bully me. They can't go put my picture, say I be wanted. As I read the newspaper for them, I don't know who can delete the newspaper. He are not deleted. Now say see mugu. It may fear I they use back of my head till they see. Una did that time. As I they told this thing now, una did that time. They carry newspaper, come they go put my picture. They say I be wanted, say that they find me. Now I heard them come tell say this newspaper wanna carry come. Now the paper when China wanted to do business with people, now they write put. You know, these two women. They don't even supposed say they go they talk now. They're not supposed to they talk. Anyway, this is disgrace. Those two women. to do at time. Now, so until you did that time, when they comment, so this is day far where Didi. You know that I don't know when I tell them make the enter house that year. I tell them make the enter house. They can't go bring newspaper. They can't go my picture put. I got my picture put. Then they say I be wanted. Say I they wanted. Say that they find me now. They say, oh, mumu people. Newspaper where they carry can't give you now. I don't see. I don't read that Chinese with these people. They want to do business together. Now I say now I did this newspaper. These two women cannot. They don't fit talk to me. They don't fit talk word when I go believe. Two of them are the same. Now I made the time when they settle their matter. They use 50-50. They settle their matter. 50-50 now they settle their matter that year. 50-50. These two women today now they are disgracing themselves. The way they take disgrace women that year, now they can't they disgrace themselves now. How can they two friends? Their friends last for 10 years, 10 years friendship. How can it be disaster like this? Are you guys kidding? Who they fall? Who be these illiterate people when they roll with these people? 10-year friendship, even 5-year friendship cannot be useless like this. They have, how they tell live for you, they know they talk all of them. They never see they follow that they are on now. Now I made it. But I no worry. I feel all reason and now close eye buy that for tomorrow. I feel just the reason I no go buy because wait I get wait they use my money they do. Yes. Where you go? These two women when they shout wah 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 all the time wah 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 wah. So te una disgrace una self, una disgrace una husband, una disgrace una children, una just disgrace una not the shame. Ehwe muwa, Monica Lolo. It's high time. Una supposed to enter house. People come and come fight for una. The people when you come and come fight for una, una begin to they fight those people. Those people begin to they fight people when all of them come together. Those people now all of them don't enter house. They come they look una. Now Ivie still come and Ivie come they talk. Ivie get where move where. Ivie be ashamed of yourself. Be ashamed of yourself. Eh? You're not supposed to even say you they support anybody for this one. If I were you, ever who message to Monica and Lolo. Who were Vionia the way you have Vionia. We go say we know now. We know now that year now. This house where they do. You don't tell whether they do this house oh. Don't tell whether they do fake life with house oh. I buy house. I buy house. I buy house. I buy house. Lovely come. I buy house. Lovely come. I buy money at house. And I get money when they buy house. They don't fair use and take on reach where I did that year. Lovely come. I buy house. Lovely come show the house where you day. Now camp now you day. Now carry camera now show my whole house. Now people come they say here. Now camp now I find rich like this. Now camp now I find rich like this. Mama lovely. Not only you want just day camp. Nobody follow you day that place for camp. Not only you want they live up and down for camp. They two talk lie. Two of them are the same. Make the entire house. Una disgrace don't do. As a woman, as a matured woman, you people supposed to quit this thing. Can't you people proceed with another thing? Can't you people do without no this thing all the time? Una marry, una scatter marry, una do this one, una do this one. Both of una, na they marry. Na they marry. The second one, that one marry for Holland for year. Monica went there because Monica, me I know say Monica married. That time when me with Monica they do saga. I tell Monica say enter house. Just enter house, no follow me Judah nyama thing. I get people when be say every day about Monica I get them for year. My hand. I don't be person when they quit they come they talk. Come they talk to I don't be person like that. I'm not used to like that. Even where one here who are 12 years aqua. I don't be that kind of person. When Monica marry, the person where go the marry, the people where go the marry, they call me, they tell me everything. Even the picture when Monica, the day when Monica do marry, even the picture self, I get the picture. Monica black that time. Monica black. The cream when they cream that time, the cream no banners. When they rub that time, it no banner. The picture of Monica every time when Monica black everything. They'll give me the picture woto. Everything now when come they comment my comment. They give me audio picture, even marriage, when he marry everything, when he born everything. The woman tell me the people tell me everything. You know how many people call me from Amsterdam, they talk your story. Yeah? At the end of the day, Monica, he can't divorce. Monica can't divorce. Now he marry. Now he still use his hands. They still go divorce. Okay, more now see what these women they talk now. Before these women want to they balance their life now. Women don't already balance their life. Before you want start to they balance your life. Balance life when people say women don't move from country to country. When we are talking about say people relocate. Women don't move from country to country. So don't balance their life. I read their life 10 years now, 11 years, 15 years. They know they carry pot and spoon, they waka again. Women, they don't balance their life. 15 years ago, 10 years ago, 13 years ago, 9 years ago, 10 years ago, 8 years ago. Women don't already balance themselves when they relocate to different country. Now these people still they actually like my one country back. Now they still they find they be like far away if they find where you want lay put. If now by this time I Monica still they talk say if they from one house they go for one house. We no name Monica. Is it not a disgrace? Gwa. I were these two women now 2 years. 2 years now they enter this thing. Enter London. 2 years. Cause More let me go back to what happened that time when that man fall up, he break his teeth. More let me go back there. Nowhere. Don't let me go back there. More enter house. Now no say me. I don't send anybody. Monica now when they shout for street or Lord don't say I don't buy house. I don't buy house. How many times you they buy house for Loadooh? As a car when Nigeria no self you now land when you they buy now land. If you moved for this apartment to this apartment, I buy ya. You move for this apartment to this apartment, I buy ya. Chineke oh Chineke. Chineke. Asi. Asi. Yeah. If you move for Monica, you know you're supposed to even burn us now. Not be now you're supposed to they say you want I buy house. I get where bros. Bros no miere lu efe. I get yo bros I get balance in Holland. Monica, where they relocate? They do speak English in Holland. They do speak English in Holland. Yes. They do speak children when they do not they carry they go London now sef. Children when they Holland for a year. If they want speak English, now they are English, now in suit pass now. Now they say Monica, since where Ambrose, una with Ambrose stay 20 years. How is Ambrose buy house that time? Remain small. We will also say remain 10 years. Ambrose you go pay for that house finish. You go pay for that house. That time house not even there. During the time when you take no Ambrose, almost 20-something years ago. If Ambrose buy house that time, maybe Ambrose now remains small when you want pay that house finish. Now you can see they tell us he buy house. You want tell me uwa. When you Katie na nanya. Katie now we don't see Katie again. Katie don't disappear. I me Katie with Facebook. All the time I buy house. I buy this. I buy car, I buy this one, I buy that one, I buy that one. Walking, what did I ever see before? People don't waste money. I don't waste it go. If una they talk as do as sometimes, and people when don't waste money that year go say, oh, a bon I yesu a car. Now they say car. That year, women guys that they buy motor, they give black boy. Yeah, the motor 10,000 lire. 15,000 le ya the motor mu the black boy. The black boy will say you go marry and you go carry the car, you go house. They go buy car 7,000 euro. The black boy will say you go marry, they'll carry the car, they'll go house. E buy ye the motor. Now today they buy car. If now by this time now say Monica, you see they find where you go, they patch, they go small like this thing, Anyame. That what they call that bed, whether not God bed that they call it that Anyame say no black. When if you read for finish that one when they make the way they fly the night, you they find where you want patch put. Both of you are too big for this mess right now. Una they disgrace on ourselves to little children when they don't spend 5 years for abroad, 7 years. I can 27. These women now, they be 20-something years in abroad. 20-something years. Now these 2 women there for abroad. 27 years. And 20-something years. 23, 22. Now they're there for abroad. 23. Ni anase ye gbolikian afrae we air. If now by this time now una see the carry una mangolo, una never see repair finish. People don't reload. People don't me this house now. This house, the place when I did before. Na chronic day now did before chronic day side. Where I fell live before I fell live for house before for chronic day. You see, I fell live for house before for chronic day. Think I spent 2 years for that house. I bet how many years I spent for that house. Then I can't come here. I entered this house. I think inside 2013. Now I entered this house. I don't change chair when they take the sit down for city room. When I enter here, no be the chair I change 4 years ago. 4 years ago, now I changed that chair. 4 years ago, I think that chair spent 5 years. Now we take use that chair. How many years we take use that chair? Before I come buy this one, 4 years ago. Not before 4 years ago, it did now when I buy this chair. I don't change. Now 2 chairs now I don't buy. Those 2 chairs when I don't buy, now expensive money, no be second hand. 1,000 plus, 1,000 plus. Now no those BB chairs now. Now know the way when they how much it be. Galaxy. Where they'll come buy something now, they'll just be like say they don't buy something. Galaxy, the chair when I fair use. That the place when I for buy this bed when I they use. Now therefore buy the chair. You don't see then why una they buy something. If you not come now buy something, then the person when you buy years ago, you will come look and go through away you. Because the time on enter on a house na second hand now na buy. Mema de second hand that my way here ya mufua. Now the second chair now na dey there. Me and they see they look that chair now. I do live video yesterday say maybe next year around December time I will change this chair. It will come be the 3rd time now when I want to buy chair for this house. Then I entered this house 2013. Then now me you want motivate. You know how many things I don't change for this house? You know when children they grow up now, they go jump. The bed when my children they use now. Now this I don't fair change the first one. I change them. I can't buy again. You see, I can't buy again. I want still change them now. Inside this summer now they pray now. Make I change them now. People they change something for house. Now they carry house, they buy something put for house. Are you really serious? They where the woman in una day. Where the mature day, where life day, say from life, see the way una take live una life. I don't talk my own now. Since when say yes, the place when I fed day before, my property where it did there. I don't carry a con here. Oh. When I enter here, now they talk say I no get paper, I no get paper, I no get paper. They don't know say it don't pay when I did this country. The place when I fed come out. My check dead there, cut, you know, say cut it for this country, If you want so cut it for house for this country, you go hold reach 1,000. What it be 1,000? Only die low. 200 for this side, 200 for this. Only the downstairs alone, the 2 window, you will pay almost 500 euro. No be inside house. Oh, inside house cut never deal. Inside house cut never deal. The chair when I get for there, everything when I get for there, cutting when I get for there, things when I get for there, I leave one for there. I leave everything for there. I don't carry anything come. Then now the when women don't change things, you know, say when if children they grow, they change their things when they sleep like bed. Women don't change things. Now Monica, they say they change house. Now they from let down they pack spoon with pot, they go. How can somebody move for let down and you pack pot for nobody? That means say una no get. You go a pot. If you want buy complete pot, 60 euro. That pot when they use that big pot and small one, I buy that pot. That pot, the time when I take buy that pot, it don't take. That pot never pass how many years now. Now 65 euro now they buy the 2. 65 euro. The man tell me say now this is the seller. Now then I say no, now 65 euro now want to buy ya. People don't they change something for house. I know they make pretty like the television when not clear. Now people when not know now. Now they do live video for. No be women when know now. People we know now look now they just they look na gear you know. If na Monica and Lolo they disgrace themselves today, he get the way when they be. This don't get as he be. Safe now they disgrace on herself today. You mad you reach my house 6 months the man can't wreck. The second one Monica when the man can't wreck. Una can't they sleep for inside car. As una come they sleep for inside car, government can't carry your children. Now play. Whoever knows say government carry children. Not be me can't talk about that year say when they can't lose house, government can't carry their children. Eh? Before you with Obo can't they quarrel, Obo can't come, Obo can't talk. Government can't the women wanna they motivate now. When be say una come the same time. None of them when government collect their children. None of them. Wetin I want to motivate us is that motivate now if you motivate me I work it now. You can't get it working now. Now if you motivate me, not be said by mouth. Eh? And see now, I don't see Wetin I take they motivate. Come on that one now when they saw her. You can never see that one with long inches. Now so short inches. You know the when I progress. You be now why I progress here. Why you be now, we be now. You supposed to do this house, enter quietly and be a responsible ones, Monica. Monica, the way they do something sometimes, it don't be like say you not responsible at all. You know just there. Sometimes there is some things sometimes. We also we live Facebook info everything. You just open everything. You just open everything. Huh? I know no university in Nigeria or that vidal with masters even now. I me masters. I me able you school now. Huh? I don't understand, you know, when people may can't sleep. Eh? Me, I'll go buy phone. Since you don't want to enter house, if you say message to Lovely, when I know say for una self no say for una no say una no they talk. If una say message to Lovely, maybe una comment I'll say, I better talk of that thing, leave that Lovely. If you just say message to Lovely, I'll say, this one wants to go use body, go rub where Lovely sit down put. You don't too much. May I read your comment, my personal person. Monica and Lolo. I see the passport with holder. This is just too small. I'll go buy glass now and Big what? Big man. Big and waiting. Comfortable housewife. Yeah, I be like say that time you dey school well. Comfortable housewife for them. Every very useless waiting. Woman. You did that yet? They kill themselves into the two what? Two do people. Okay, the two do people. The two women just want people to think they are. Listen. Is it? This is just the alphabet too much. It's too small. I don't see how well. So successfully, but they are what? Yeah. This I don't know when women they make money. I don't know where they did that time. Here he say Facebook. Here now go and hear me. Here now go. These women they not make am. Here man wey me rock back. Come reach today. They not do something go back home. And they don't wish don't talk. That one when they say do something go back home. But why you? Here I near ware live video. I feel count how many live video present and when I was say he stand, he get one thing. Two of them fake. Only where you wear a show house. You know get house. Why? Ambrose no get house. Ambrose don't spend how many years for Europe. You know get house. That one go bring house come and talk am. That one later when they go bring hotel come on. Monica fake hotel come on. Don't be the fake hotel. Don't bring problem between with your friend. Una to dey live fake life. Una enter house. Na pancake now na come dey show for Facebook. Eh? These two women now tell them say make they bring 10,000 euro come out. Here 10,000 euro they no get. Wetin you go buy, you go keep on for inside house. They go buy and they'll come show one. If they buy laptop, they'll come show laptop. Laptop one na buy, one na they show. Now be one my handbag and one of my shoe. My handbag, one of my handbag and one of my shoe. Eh? You go fit buy the laptop. Just one of my handbag with one of my shoe, you go fit buy the handbag. Person when get no dey shout. Wa gbagban me gbe. Una to talk. See the way una take disgrace una self. Disgrace as una husband take useless una husband. As una take do this thing. Eh? Cause I don't know when una carry cause come. When una carry cause this man. When come be say the men today now. Una can't use less their life. The men they come in na kokon. E ke wana use less life in rien. In na kokon na hera ni le. They can't still go manage again. Manage. No. Instead of una to face una husband, face una children. Una want to go bring problem come now before you go know now. I be in London. Not only God know where now can't go that time. Because a character no what is getting too much. The thing wanna do people that time. 9-12 una can't they do na self so. If you know what we why. Wanna go check out Monica Lolo. You people should go and check what is wrong with you people. This is not it's not ordinary handle. Now cause ihe ni wa banomu no gbugwa ni. One of they pull life for their head that time. Now because they worry now. So because on this one not be show. This one not be Facebook show again because if you don't start to they go bring your discussion wanna discuss hiding things wanna do together. If you not come they bring and come out, that means say that one no be ordinary eye, no be ordinary hand. Something is under. Something is under. Huh? This is too bad. These women call that disgrace. Now so they do that year. If these women call their Facebook that year. Even equal favor na even yahu. If what did these women do? Just say, people can't forgive them. They can't say if people forgive them, say they go do. Later now, these women, they are coming to saga, the new that saga again. You see that saga where the saga that year, called the saga women. When time come now, if they don't see this, they don't they insult all women again. If I look today, some people they will say, now they cure women depression. No, now get depression that year. Women will be say, this one say after 6 months, the husband broke down. The second one say after how many years, the husband, no let God know how many years, whether not 3 months, now Monica husband still broke down. When they come, they sleep inside car. Not those one want motivate person. Wetin dey there? And I can motivate here. Now let them be woman, Benin woman when they Benin City, yeah, those states. He packet those states there. This one can say after when he move go meet he husband that year. That time na baby papa. But that na husband me I don't know cause I don't know wetin I want call now. You go meet her after 6 months, everything spoil, everything. You can't see. If now me that's not even happen to, I want to explain to anybody. I hold anybody explanation like me. Na ya desu where I go hit head. I can't tell people say see I go hit head just now. Una not even know how to keep secret on ourselves because una too talk. You people you behave like a little child. People wait, they will say, what you now want to motivate people? Not be say you come now, you can't say, see, I'm waiting, I be this one. I mean, why are you failure? Now failure, now they can't talk. Lolo go sit down, you go talk to you. Monica go sit down, you go talk to you. Failure. So that one they call and say, una be big man wife, una be igwe wife. When una can't say, una get money where, una get money where. If you want open boss, we they use hand take the open Holland this boss. We they do this one where. Can't reach today. Monica that time Monica will come and go see all the old clothes when they wear all the old Hollandis. If you wear and finish, you go and carry and go Nigeria, you go share them. Since when Monica they do live video, me you Hollandis you kunore. People when get they know they talk. Iyana mwe a seke live video. It's a shame. Lolo and Monica, it's a shame that now na 12 na con they use una hand con they disgrace una self. As una they make the man when una born for, na con make them be poor men. Una they con poor. He poor now see their story oh. Since now they use una mouth they bring the story. And me I first hear the story. Only say I don't be person like that when they too much talk. I wish I see you talk at that year. They will say, lovely, you talk lie. Lovely took like small one when I throw away that year. Now people because they say lovely to talk this thing that I will say lovely lie. Now by now I'm throw away. Because me, if I want to talk something, if you give me 15 things whole, if I two butcher and only 2 now go carry come and the remaining 13 I go keep on. I'll say I'm not interested. You see, huh? If I can't talk and bye when I thought that they say lovely you lie you do the lie at our house. At the end of the day they say lovely if I talk all those things that year. We think say na lie na lovely they lie. I can never talk lie. Make what to hoge lie. How they talk like to please human being. You can never, and I cannot do it. I can't talk like they please human being. No, because I love respect where. And they carry. These 2 women, they were living in Netherlands here, eating single mother money. They call me single mother. Now I got say I be comfortable single mother. At that time, can't reach this time. Say me they go check computer of marriage. My name still they read can't reach today for marriage computer. I not divorce. I not cancel one. Yes. You know how many years? Person when married yesterday, now one come they talk say now first me marry. If they say me they come they do anniversary of marriage, boy. My own anniversary of marriage, you know how many years? My personal person, you don't see my page today. How you dey? I'm on Jasper. I be dey find you. I can't say where I want to see you. Make I tell you say na my page be this one. Make you go bring your people come. Artist now. They come they talk that and say lovely lovely na single mother, lovely na comfortable single mother, lovely. Now they say I be single mother. I can't tell they say I be comfortable single mother. If they say make they enter computer for Europe now, make they search marriage paper come. My marriage paper, you know how many years? How many years be my marriage? You know how many years? Still the computer for the American swear why you ever? You are welcome. It's still there. But two of them they were divorced. Monica honor your boy your marriage the whole land. Honor your boy your divorce. Can't reach today. Monica is a single woman. Monica is a single mother. Now Monica be. Single mother, if you define enter the European this in a computer, make they come find a rich now. Let that one go say he don't divorce. Let that one go say divorce. If you reach London now, a marriage computer in London. Now the friend, now that one do marriage last year. If you define that one marriage for computer, now they go see him for computer. For whole land here, Lolo marriage not the computer. Why this woman, why una come bet to the disgrace una self? Since una bet to the disgrace una self, you people have given me the go ahead. Una don't give me the key, make I tell open the door. Wanna no worry. If I reason, I will go buy phone. If I know, if na matter no rich, I no go spend that 80 something euro because you get what I want use and do because me go away competition. I they follow na do competition. You see that those people now they so single mother. A single mother by stupidity. Single mother. Those people, they were single and stupid. Monica and Lolo, Mona enter house. Una disgrace, People, they shame. People, they shame. For two of una. It's a shame. That one. Single mother by stupidity. Single mother by stupidity. Wetin dey their body, they go they use and they laugh me that year. They use and they laugh some women that year. Hey, see lovely not they go work. Lovely not they go work. During the time when I they go work, they go dey Facebook. Me I go my work home. I will go my work home. If I carry videos, so I say okay, I they go work home. Then this say na lie. I will go my work home. They no work. I don't see them work one day. They no work. Here Facebook. The second one. Oh, Fenrele, Connery, Monica. That one they go work that time. That one just carry bicycle. Koro. If they go work, that one will go work that year. They were single mother. They come they laugh me. If they find my name for computer for Europe, my marriage it still make be. They no touch her. They no marry that time. Hey, single mother by stupidity. Single mother by stupidity. Omo no wa marry. Ona yo bonoge. You use and scatter marriage. Enter benefit. Can't reach today. Monica no marry. Monica, as you reach that London, may you go marry. You now you see use your mouth talk and Lolo they help you they play your nonsense when you they talk just now. If you still see Lolo, may you see go help Lolo play. Why make back me Monica back me. I want Monica you don't see word when the word when it come out for your mouth, Monica. Now Lolo take the saga you. You can never see Lolo carry platform, go street, go the shout, agbolo boy where street. Your word that came out from your mouth, that is the word Lolo is using against you. They're the one when Lolo still they talk for yourself. You still go and use it for Lolo. Your boy. My people. Hey, my women, my ladies, my mommies. I wear any way iti where bo mommies here na Monica. You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace, Monica. Oh, where? A Monica me. Oh, where who be that woman when I go respect? I will be that woman. Oh, I boy where? Who be that woman when I go respect? You get something past me. Hey, wait. Today now small children when use leg enter Libya now. When you never start live video that time. Now then you call they call her mommies now. Yeah, where worry to a mommies now. Maybe one of them will craze come now. You just call for your platform say, Monica, lovely, they talk to you. You go they sort me for there. I know they talk to Ashawo, Igbeaga no go make guana. If they cost me, they call them prostitute. Una know me, I Igbeaga no we are fun. The way Monica and Lolo take they disgrace themselves. We saga hera Monica we de nak boy na yevari Monica we de nak boy na yevari remain 6 months time again we muher continuously wa igbe pakeke ya wa igbe pada ya ofone wa muni tutu inches human help for her na come show na face sis una no see more than when you go advise una Monica and Lolo. I senior una for age. And me na still be una mother for Facebook. You wa making. O kwa biomo no ma enegbe. U muya vivo hu re u swekugbe. Koi na be you and Monica. See. The real life video presenter, they never they come the saga now. Even retire me with all those one. Even retire me. Start show, all of them they come now. As una te marry, as una te wreck the maid down 6 months, una come the chop for ordinary grant. The second one, after 6 months, after 6 months, he without blows come they sleep for inside car. See what way he talk, he want come arrange the word. A man that owns a house, he married you and brought you to that house. Then later, you not go to sleep for inside. Oh, may God not let me marry. I will ring my husband. God forbid. A good woman, when he go marry, he go raise his husband up. These women, now they don't get what they feel use their husband do. They don't feel help their woman, their husband build house for Nigeria. Nothing. They be wife wrecker. Housewife wrecker. Now baby mama's wrecker. Now they be before they come they marry. Now one before 12 them now baby mama's wrecker, divorcee wrecker, and single mother wrecker. Now 12 they be. As they come reach Loadooh, one for inside come marry. The second one come be single mother. Oh! So now like this now na come carry na self rich. Inyawa kise avi totoyoto na so na come rich. People when they call it on a platform, they don't see the time on a test start. Now me na come ask Damo Jasper. Mona come ask Damo Jasper. How we say that they give result PhD for commenters and for don't give Damo Jasper. Damo Jasper for don't say if you enter Facebook as they comment say if you not doctor. Damo Jasper for don't do more than 300 people operation. I will react. As I marry, as I enter the house after 6 months, we will not see food to eat again. Otarevania. In Nigeria, where I where the man go marry the woman, they can't stay for one room, can't born rich men. That means if now Nigeria, those people they now one room they for stay. Yeah, be a cockroach, this thing. I wa me a platform. They carry themselves for platform. These people now that they say that they make money, these people cannot bring a standard house. Since when did they do Facebook? There is some people. Hi, it's a shame. Shame on you too. Shame on you too. It's a shame. There is some women that don't do live video. They get standard house. It's one enter live video, they do live video. They don't build house. Zik and paint and face. These women that say na Facebook now they see money. They never see you now with one's property from abroad. No. From Nigeria. No. If not say lovely, can't show your own. I know say if me ziggy entire area, if I they come out, I will bring something come out, can't show now. Since how many years? Hey, I'm making go with Facebook. Hey, I'm making go with Facebook. Hey, I'm making go with Facebook. Oh. These people now, they don't get house for Nigeria. They'll say that they lay foundation. These women, if woman, their husband has it, they build house. Una no fair build before una marry. Una still their husband house. Una no still build. They make noise for. These two women, una they make noise for. It let two of una know say no na come poor pass. Now poor people now they hustle irrelevant kobo like this. Poor people here UK here mukmanwa kumo. They'll carry line up bag when they'll go to the pack food for UK. Poor people. On no eva ko asuke amuna I'm na they'll give them food. Maybe if you dance, don't tire, go forget the food for them. People they forget food. They say, I bet come go this right before you can't reach us, it don't spoil. Another biku quand they pack the John pakane they miss them together. Say una too special. Two of una no special. I felt on say if una no enter house, if I come out for una, una no go like am. The disgrace when be say we help una keep. The people when no know na will come they talk. I did just now, some people come they comment put. They don't comment put finish. They come on out and say, come when this Facebook start. Be like say you still in Nigeria, you never come. But will tell you how this Facebook they start. Monica and Lolo. But will tell you how it they start. He comment finish, he go. Come stay, may I tell you now. This is now they do that friendship. If you come for nyas, come comment, my commenter, I love you. I know they that one. Make what some day. I don't know how to do can't they kiss. No, my own boza. I be re. Now be. This matter 2021 when they ya ladian coronavirus 2020. Now these people they start this matter now. 3 years if you work back. My sister. By this time now, 3 years, not be by this time, not be. Yeah, remain small, now go be 3 years. Now inside someone, now they start this matter that year. Remain small now, it's August, something like that. 3 years. Okay, Agba. All those women when they see so that they talk. When they say, as I go enter London, I can't get house. When una go London, una husband prepare a place wait for una. They furnish house wait for una. They no furnish house wait for una. Monica and Lolo. I furnish wa. No be our present. No be na go to the buy spoon, buy pot, buy frying pan, buy this one, buy that one. Una they forget to. One they forget. Moku na come they tell una story so that I go see until they do live video. Now see now. I not come insult to now. Now wait till una talk. Now lovely carry come. Now me first start and before I procure the Godfather come join me. Now anything wanna draw for platform. Now my work. If you like they say lovely you dey craze. Lovely you know where. Lovely you dey mad. If I want to come out, I will use t-shirt when slack they run come out. Because I don't get time when I want to go to enter bedroom bath. Come spend my special time. Use and make makeup because they talk to mad people. No, lovely cannot do that. If they come out, I will offer makeup dress come out. Now wait till now they talk. Oh, now they iron no. Wait till now they talk. If I dey iron now, me una no contact say lovely you dey crazy. If now they write comment, kukuma or my kind if you write your comment finish, you go comment. We are used to it. Monica where you work with moto. He wants to stay husband house. Now he sleep inside car. The time when Abros marry you, now inside car. Now Abros for marriage you. If now inside car, now Abros they sleep. Now Abros they bath. You go green marry Ambrose for inside car. My people, I don't ever see somebody when he marry husband for inside car without no house. Then as Ambrose marry you rich house finish. Now you use your man talk and more. We fair know now. I fair know that year. How not take sleep inside car? How not take go shelter? How they come to the help now for shelter? How they take carry your children? I know everything. You know, see, get one when I release that I say Ambrose not the Ambrose the Chris for let down and they pick cigar for ground. You can't talk and now say, you see this stupid lovely, this yeah lovely. Now you can't tell them for Facebook say Ambrose they pick cigar for ground, they smoke, they go. Because when why you here no when why you here or no Igwe when he did that time, Igwe now don't go for face. He don't good. Igwe when he did that time, he knows could be like where. I don't just want to. More I don't let me condescend on now. Walawa, now I check the distance. No, I made too much. How many days? You don't reach waiting now. Small talk. Just if it doesn't make just talk small talk. Just 1 hour just reach. Now wow. My people may call you. I love my to the take for this thing again. You know? You say, I be wife. I want marry. I want stay husband. Why you divorce? You not be wife. Monica, you are not Ambrose's wife again. Una just be friend. Now friend now una come be stay together say una want 3 pikin. Yeah? You know the divorce when the marry when you marry for Europe, you divorce her. For Nigeria, you no marry. If they say make they call the can't to marry now, you not dead the line. No, you are offline. Yes, you are offline. Then when Ambrose come marry, you use your mouth to say you with Ambrose sleep for inside car. You should say follow Ambrose. You with Ambrose sleep for inside car, my dear. Who you they talk to? Now idiot people you they talk to. But the time when Ambrose marry you, Ambrose get house. He dey house. Even Swagalicious native daughter rent for the house. That one no be that house when Swagalicious daughter come follow now stay years back. No be your old that time. Ambrose own. So Ambrose he marry you. Ambrose he will marry. He marry you put come for house. Ambrose marry you come for house. Then what you can't do? You can't wreck Ambrose. Ambrose. Later, he can't go there sleep for inside car. Children won't na born. Government can't carry the children because the children no fit they sleep for inside car. Now it be the proud when you want proud say you take their husband house. Is that proudness say you take their husband house? Now be the proudness. You talk of Dangote. I see one way for talk Dangote. Say people when they work for Dangote, even the trailer, now people when go school. Dangote wife, he make Dangote go up. We no wreck Dangote. Sometimes we have one. Sometimes you just they talk. You are talk. Talk is very cheap. You just they talk. You know, as you just they talk, you they find make people feel say now you talk pass. And the talk when you they talk, you know they make sense. You feel say they make sense. The Ambrose come dey inside car. Now talk. You know say God don't they expose you now. Now it too often now una don't they disgrace una self. Ambrose now una come they sleep inside car. From that car now oni can't buwa. Now they come carry una go shelter. After una stay for shelter, now they come give una house. When Ambrose no come fit they stay with you for house. Because why? You are a single mother. You can't go divorce before government go help you. Now I make if they do live video that time, Ambrose go they dodge. That time when they here now, Ambrose they dodge for live video now. Ambrose don't top for Monica live video one day. No. Ambrose go they follow on that chair that year. Then when you can't reach London, now they're not there this year again. Social again. Now Ambrose they come out. Is that not clear? See your friend. Your friend, now 6 months he say he stay with his husband get house before. When he reach there after 6 months, they come they chop for ordinary grant. Two of una find una self as a friend. Two of una be bad friend. Now he make una feel live with una self. Because if Monica should have this kind of strange character, Lolo have this kind of strange character, two of them cope together, you know say two of them they be bad person. It's just like the time when I see a Dede na witch. When I see a Dede na witch, I look at the Dede na witch, say the character of a Dede na witch, no. I say no. Because I wish that I was like a Dede na witch. Will I say wickedness? I don't know how we say it. Like the way the Dede na witch is behaving. That is the same way I do, or that is a character I have, or that is a wickedness that I have. I think me with a dede na wish, we for still day to day. When I see a dede na witch, I see say a dede na witch is not human being. I run from a dede na witch. I don't say go forbid. Because they say when bad person see bad person, they go cope together. It's just like person when they smoke igbo for Ishana, you go see somebody when they smoke igbo for Bini. If they work out for area now, you go see say that one don't sit on top of a computed building. You go work out meet and you go shake her bros afama. You go say, hey, how you dey? You go say I dey oh. Naisha for just they come oh. I dey stranded oh. You go say bros, give me igbo smoke now. Una just click be that. You dey smoke? Yes, I dey smoke. You just say take. You just smoke. And from there, only that day when they see themselves, you go be like say it's friendship of 10 years. You see, that is how bad people move. You see the way when I explain now. You go say, give me go smoke now, give me cigar smoke now. Once you don't see that smoke that cigar, that day that person don't go sleep aside. That guy must carry and go in house, go sleep in house. From there they don't be friend. You go be like say they are friendship. You don't take when the friendship day. If Lolo see say Monica na bad person, if he live with Monica with that bad, that means say Lolo na bad person. If Monica see say Lolo na bad person, Monica feel live with Lolo with that bad, you know say the two of them, they are the same. The same. 9-12 na be. There is no one way e good. I label 12 na 50-50. Now I give una. This one will come talk story. That one come talk story. Now story una they talk. Una self no say na story una they talk. Monica and Lolo no say na story that they talk. They are just using their mouth to buy love. They don't use their mouth they buy love. Now people will be say they are so stupid. They don't know what they are doing. You know people when they follow now. The most people that come to your platform, they are sat illiterate. Illiterate. Now they come to our platform, they feel say yes. They'll just the real one will be say they are educated, they'll just sit down, they'll just they look. They'll just they look. They'll say, what is she saying? If you look Wetin Monica they talk, with Wetin Lolo they talk, the two are the same. You marry and you pack enter Igwe house. After 6 months, Igwe come dey wreck, he come poor. Monica pack enter no Ambrose. Before you know, they can't lose house. They can't they sleep inside car. You know, she say now the same story. The whole two of them. The same story. As Lolo they go UK. As they go UK, they go. His husband no arrange house way for her. As he reach UK, then they call they arrange house. As Monica go UK, as he reach UK, his husband no arrange house for her. As Monica reach UK, now they call they arrange house. My people now no see and say, now the same thing. Now two of them be two of them just they read the same thing when he did their body. If person want read this novel, now the same novel. If Monica carry novel come, this person carry novel come, you use the two novel enter class, go use and do exam. Now the same thing. When it comes to single mother, the both of them were single mother. The both of them, they were single mother. Monica was single mother. Lolo was single mother. You see, huh? Both of them were single mother. Before Lolo come to say, he do traditional this thing for her, but when she was with government, before she take social, she was a single. It's only single person. Now social they give money, single parents. She can collect social in this country because she said that she collects social in this country. If she can collect social in this country, that means she's a single mother. If Monica can collect social in this country, that means Monica is a single mother. Did you see? Then what are we not saying? You see these people? Now they say no van. They're not even to say, hey, Monica, go write part 1 come for your novel. Me Lolo go write part 1 come part 2 come for your novel. No. Now part 1. anything when you see for part 1 for Monica novel, now the same thing now still happen to Lolo. You people, these people know what that they do. These people, they are trying to buy love from people. When you look their body language, you look the way they talk, now they are showing they are loyal. They want to be loyal to poto people. These people, you expect these 2 women to take themselves down? Oh, bonjour. These 2 women, they were nothing but twats. These 2 women, they were nothing but twats. Now, they are forming loyalty, they are forming love, they are forming care, they are forming that they are the best to 2 of them, not aside, not other women, to 2 of them. Monica is proving that she's the best. She's the best than Monica and Lolo. Lolo is now showing that she's the best. She's better than Monica. Did you see these people? You see them? And they come for now. I was here waiting for my hand. May I live on a good night.